Hello, I am John,
And I'm Nancy.
and
And
we
we
are
are
J&N
J&N
Travels.
Travels. We drove from New Hampshire to Florida to Snowbird for the first time and would like to share our tips and advice from our 3 months down south.
In this episode of Snowbirds 1.0, we'd like to talk about the best places to shop in, well, the area we were in
Mm-hmm.
for savings. And let's start with the food. So we got down there first and we did the Publix thing,
Yeah,
which is all over Florida, and found this was by far the most expensive place.
it's
Um,
expensive. Yeah.
we didn't find any buys there even on sale. So we moved over. We did that twice, and then we moved over and tried out the food place in Walmart and found by far, even comparing this to other places as we were down there during the 3 months, this is by far the best
Yeah.
prices on food.
Yep. Yeah. That was a huge Walmart. They had everything. Yeah.
And there are
It
lots,
was the biggest Walmart I've ever been to.
well,
It
and
was
there's a lot of
huge.
them down there. So that's what we highly recommend for food. And
Mm-hmm.
of course, you can get your dollar loaf of bread there, Italian bread, freshly baked,
It's a
and a lot of other
one-stop
stuff.
shop. You can get your alcohol there.
Right.
You can get your, meats,
Well, we found that too. We were
vegetables.
able to get almost everything there.
Yeah,
The only other place that we were going that would, but that went to quite a bit was surprisingly the $1.25 treat
yeah,
because they had those frozen sandwiches, the
yeah,
chicken and the
yeah,
hamburgers
yeah.
that were very tasty
They were tasty. Yeah,
and they were inexpensive. And we
yeah,
just found that it helped us a lot. We stockpiled our freezer with those because, like, when we went to the parks
yeah.
or different things, we wanted a quick lunch. That was you just microwave them and everything's there. You don't have to get three different kinds of, rolls and package and cheese. You just
Hmm.
in the meat and the cheese. So that was very handy. The other thing at the $1.25 tree that we found was if you went anywhere else, those noodles the kids had at the pool and a lot of other pool
Oh
toys
yeah, the swimming noodles.
were a
Yeah,
lot more
they had a lot
expensive.
there. Yeah,
And of course, they're only $1.25
yeah,
at that place. So we found a lot of buys at the $1.25 store and at Walmart. Those are
yeah,
our two biggies.
yep,
The other thing we found at Walmart, which surprised us, we had a lot of gift shops.
yeah.
And we even went once because you wanted to get some little trinkets to a flea market.
That's right.
And, and we found that the flea market was actually more expensive than Walmart, that they have a huge section in the front of their store
Mm.
of Disney paraphernalia. And you got a lot of your stuff there, right?
Yeah, I wanted some of the keychains, and they did have them at that thrift store, but they were more expensive. They had the exact same thing at Walmart, and they were cheaper.
Right. So there again, we fell back on that.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, they
the
had
other,
all kinds of Disney keychains. They were great. Whatever character you were looking for, Walmart had it. They
the,
had a whole section. It was huge.
the other problem with the other problem was that we went to the different gift shops along, well, quite a few gift shops, and they all had the same items.
Yeah.
There wasn't
There's
much variety there.
no.
And the gift shops, you could say the same about any place outside Disney World. If you're looking for a Disney souvenir, you can get the trinkets, but nothing has a Disney World stamp on it.
Right.
So if you're looking for specifically that, you're going to have to pay extra to get a souvenir within Disney World.
Yeah.
The other thing is just snacks. When we went out for snacks at fast food restaurants, if you're looking for a budget, most of the fast food down there uh, had what they call their happy hours, like 2 to 5 or something, and you could get your food for much cheaper that way too. So that's what we found. Those are some helpful hints for savings on food and souvenirs. Anything else? So I guess you had found some items at even just a local thrift shop down there.
Oh yeah, I didn't bring a lot of books to read. I brought a couple and I went through them, and so I was looking for another book, and I found a book at a thrift store. It was a New York Times bestseller. It was a really good book, and it was only 50 cents.
So look around. There are plenty of ways to save down there.
Yep. And remember, stay young and have fun.